Okay, sige, naiintindihan. Kami lang po nagkakaintindihan, guys. So, ikaw, ate, what is your name? Yung tita, nasa bag mo yung plastic, pakibalat yung Shanghai at spaghetti. I'm just kidding, guys. So, pakihawakan yung cellphone. So,
happy birthday. Love you. Ito ay hindi ito regalo, hindi ito laruan, hindi ito ay pera na magagamit mo kung ano yung gusto mong bilhin. Pero huwag ka nang bibili ng laruan kasi malaki ka na. No, tago mo to. Sige. Lagay mo diyan sa bulsa mo, baka mawala iyan. Huwag mong bibitawan. Okay, salamat.
thank you. There you go. Thank you so much. Alright, forward.
Pinsan, wala sumpaan. Promise. Dapat punin mo yung pera mo, ha? Okay. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you so much, Lola, Penny. Alright, so let's take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile.
At yung pagiging mabait mo, sana lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. Happy birthday!
There you go. Thank you so much. And of course, enjoy po muna. Alright, once again, to all of the presenters of our 7 wishes, put the... Alright, sa picture. Ready? Alright, for our next in line, Pauline, Grace, and Pedro. 2, 3. Alright, for our next in line. Thank you so much, Kuya Matthew. Alright, for our next. There you go, thank you so much. Alright, guys, so let's take a video. Ready? Alright, once again, for those guests who wants to have our photo souvenir, our photo booth session is now official. Alright. Thank you so much, Canvas. Alright, for our last mango here, Lance. Reese Aquino. Alright, for our next in line, Alright, for our next in line, Miriam Andrea de la Cruz. Alright, for our second to the left, 3. Fine, alright, for our... one more guys, palakpakan natin yung ating birthday celebrant.
Happy birthday, DL. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo.
There you have it. So thank you so much, Nina. And of course, then take a picture. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, so I think lahat ng kids natin dito lapit na sa unahan. Bili! Lahat ng kids, come here. Alright, lahat ng kids, tara dito tayo. Stand up, guys. And lahat ng kids, come here. Lahat ng kids, para may kasama si JL, guys. So, tayo na yung mga kids natin tayo.
huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Please play the music.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, isa pa yung may kasamang palakpak in 1, 2, 3, sing! I'm just giving you some syempre guys. Kuya JL, and before you blow your candle, close your eyes and make a wish. And ako top 3, tsaka pa lang i-blow yung candle, okay? So, Kuya JL, close your eyes. Alright, the count of 3, 1! There comes the game guys. Palakpan natin ating birthday celebration for siya. Ating birthday si Daddy. So, sino gusto nyo mauna? Si Mommy or si Daddy? Mommy, kayo daw po request. Birthday wish lang po, walang iyakan. Mommy, ha?
Mag-aral ka mabuti, magbati ka sa mundo mo, lagi kang sumunod kay mami and daddy. Mahal na mahal ka ni mami and daddy. Lahat ng ginagawa ni mami at saka daddy na sakripisyo para sa iyo lang. Yung hiling lang namin ni mami, ay ni daddy, mag-aral kang mabuti, yun lang yung mabibigay namin sa iyo. I love you, dear.
So, pula po ka naman natin si Mommy. Anong wish lang po, Daddy?
Hello, JL. Sana mag-aral kang mabuti. Lahat ng sinasabi ni Daddy para sa iyo, lahat ng tinutulog Daddy para sa iyo, huwag kang magagalit, huwag kang magtatampo kung ano mga sinasabi ko sa iyo. Dahil para sa iyo, iwasan mo maging tamad pagka inutusan ka, huwag mo sasabihin, wait lang, sandali lang. Dahil gusto ko lumaki ka, lumayilapan. Yun lang, thank you.
Daddy, salamat na rin po kay Daddy.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Kahit po tayo napunta ng madilim dito sa aming munting tahanan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumalo at nakiselebrate sa birthday ng aking anak. Thank you po sa lahat.
And very thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, and of course, yung ating birthday celebrant, guys, palakpakan naman natin sila. Kung mapapansin niyo po si Daddy, guys, medyo naluluha po siya. Ganyan po talaga yung mga parents, lalo na po candle blowing. And just kidding, alright, once again, thank you so much, everyone. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, guys, tambay kami ngayon. Once again, maraming salamat. Alright, so sa lahat ng kids natin na wala pang prize, pila na dito sa unahan. This is the time to give a loot box or souvenir. And guys, so where's our birthday celebrant? Kaya Jen, tara dito, bigyan natin sila ng loot box and souvenir. So kids, pila sa lahat guys. Maraming salamat po sa ating DJ and Light and Sounds. Thank you so much kay Justin, sa ating mga crew at food attendant. Maraming salamat guys. So meron pala tayong loot box and souvenirs coming from CSO Catering Services.